reach the arms up. Inhaling. Feel the inhalation. Extend the body. Fold forward and down. Make it long. Make it last. Relax the head. Right leg back. Inhale. Lift the chest. Extend your spine. Left leg. Hold it in. Hold the breath inside the body. Build the heat. Lower your knees. Chest, forehead. Long exhale to the floor. Long. Flatten the body. Head and chest up. Inhale is long. Make it last. Lengthen the spine. Tuck your toes. Push back. Relax the heels. Long exhalation. Make it last again. Right leg to the front. Inhale. Help the leg forward. Keep breathing in. Left leg forward. Exhale. Relax the head. Good. Relax the body. Reach your arms forward. Lift the chest up. Inhale. Extend the fingertips. Weight on the heels. And we relax arms. Exhaling. Left side. Slowly now. Palms together. Exhale. Nice and... If it's comfortable, take a hold of the feet or the ankles. Totally up to you. Dadulnasana, the bow. Now, I want to give you the option this morning if you'd like to cross the feet and take a hold of the opposite foot. Okay? Totally up to you if you want to take this more advanced variation. Take an inhalation. We're going to lift the chest up. Lift the thighs up as high as you can. Beautiful. Extending the spine. If you've got the legs crossed, then brilliant. You can push the feet into the hands. Same if you're in the full bow. Push the feet into the hands as you lift the chest up. Good. The inhalation maybe lifts the thighs a little bit higher from the mat. Maybe the next inhalation, the chest leads and the chest lifts a little bit higher from the mat. Find the areas that are creating tension in the body and breathe into those areas and use that to lift the spine a little bit more. 3 more breaths. Good. 2 rounds. We'll use the classical mudra for the alternate nostril breathing that we use every week. Okay, so the right thumb covering right nostril, left ring finger on the right hand covering the left nostril. And we're going to inhale through the right nostril as deep as we can, okay, in a moment. We're going to hold the breath in and then we're going to exhale the left nostril as quiet as we can, okay? I'll instruct it, obviously I just wanted to give you a briefing on what we're actually going to do. Let's bring the hands in front of the face. Take an inhalation through both nostrils. Exhale gently out of both nostrils. Cover your left nostril. Inhale in through the right nostril. Abdomen expanding, chest expanding, all the way to the collarbones. Hold the breath inside the body. Hold the breath inside the flow of the breath. Slow the breath down. Point the toes. One more breath here. The left hip in. Very good. We're going to slowly bring the right knee out to the side. Oh no, keep the knee bent. Keep it lifted. Beautiful. Nice. Tuck the left butt cheek in now. Square the left shoulder to the front. Brilliant. Draw the left butt cheek in. Lift the chest now. That's it. Good. Excellent. Shoulders in line. Toes are pointing to the floor. Breathe comfortably. Remember, you can always use the one. One more breath.